Cindy Crawford and Randy Gerber's decision to shoot a warning to daughter Kaya's boyfriend Austin Butler may have been the death knell for their short-lived romance. The young model and actress had been dating the Elvis actor, 10 years her senior, since late 2021, but they reportedly called it quits at the end of last year. Kaya is now blaming her parents for the split, which came in the wake of their decision to question Austin's intention after being left troubled by the lack of progress. But the interference proved too much for the Oscar-nominated star, who did not appreciate the fact that they had butted into the relationship and now wants to focus on his burgeoning Hollywood career. What really sealed the deal about the breakup is the talk Kaya's parents had with Austin about his relationship with their daughter. An insider told People he did not appreciate the fact they butted into their relationship. It rubbed Austin up the wrong way. In October, the sources reported that Randy and Cindy had sat Austin down for a serious talk to address their fears that Kaya could be wasting the best year of her life if he was not ready to commit long term, with the pair reportedly questioning when he might propose. A second insider said the couple now feel terrible that their well-intentioned meddling could have spearheaded the end of their daughter romance with Austin. Kaya putting on a brave face in public over the breakup, but the truth is she is upset, they said. She is partly blaming her parents for the talk they had with Austin, telling him he could be wasting the best year of Kaya's life because he was not making a solid commitment. Kaya told her parents they had no right to come between them. Kaya and Austin were first pictured together in December 2021, just 1 month after she split from Saltburn heartthrob Jacob Elordi. The attractive couple went public with their romance in March 2022 when they walked the red carpet at W Magazine pre-Oscar party. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.